In this video we're going to be looking at how to make up a slurry, which is used to fix loose slabs in a path. Mix up a slurry. I am using rugby cement from Selco. At the time I put this video together there was a national shortage of cement. When measuring cement, you should always try and tap the measuring device, as cement will settle in the container and you can get more in. SBR is an additive that helps increase adhesion. It helps cement when applying in damp places. You will need 10 parts cement, 2 parts water and 2 parts SBR additive. I use a drill with a mixer paddle to mix, but you can do it with a spade. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed together and the consistency of whipped cream. Add more water or cement if your proportions are wrong. Simply put the slurry under the slab. You need a good amount for the bed, don't just dot and dab. On my path it is going on compacted earth, but on the patio it was over cement. Check the slabs are as level as possible, leaving an all-round gap. The good thing about slurry is you can put a lot under and then push down to get the desired level, but don't get it on top of the slabs. If you want further advice on paths, then look at our videos on restoring limestone paths. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Why not give us a like? If you want to get regular updates, then just click the subscribe button.